What the heck? My fellow Headband Club members, it has come to my attention that you need another unboxing in your life. Oh yeah, you do. You need another one in your life. I swear to Christ, I'm not lying to you. Okay? And this is the channel for the freaking unboxings, and I'm gonna do another one today. But you gotta click the thumbs up. You never click the thumbs up. Okay? But we're gonna unbox anyways, cause where's Chet Maddox unboxing? They're the most famous unboxing videos in the world. No crap. No crap. We're gonna unbox something cool today. We're unboxing this $42 million box. Do you know what this is? It's a new Mac Mini M1. We're gonna unbox it. Make sure you stick around to the end, you know, because that's the part you guys like. Yeah. All right. Cool. I don't think that's gonna make him click the. I mean, yeah. All right, whatever. Oh, hey, sorry. Look it. It's upside down. Turn right side up. Mac Mini Unboxed. You're welcome. Click the thumbs up. I'll see you around on the next one, guys. Way to go, team. Dumb.